decision as a community. Your participation and input are valuable in shaping our program. Let's begin. First, let's review the agenda for today. We will start by discussing any announcement or updates. Does anyone have any announcement to share with the community?
I would like to remind everyone about the upcoming workshop on cooking skills to the next week.
Thank you, participant 1, for the reminder. It's important to support each other. In attending this workshop, to enhance our skills and knowledge, next on the agenda we will address any issue or concern raised by community members who would like to share concern or bring up a topic for discussion.
Okay, everyone, I have noticed a lack of communication during meal times, which has led to some confusion and frustration. I believe you should establish clearer guidelines for mealtime interaction.
Your observation is noted. Participant 2. Effective communication is key to maintain harmonious environment. Let's discuss this further and work together establish clearly guidelines for mealtime interaction. Does anyone have suggestions on how we can improve communication during meals?
I propose creating a mealtime schedule where individuals take turns in setting the table, serving food and cleaning up. This way, everyone has a role and knows what is expected during mealtimes.
Thank you, participant 3, for your suggestion. Establishing a structured mealtime schedule can promote teamwork and accountability. Let's incorporate this idea into our community guidelines. Lastly, we will address any upcoming event or activities that require planning and coordination. Is there any event or activity that need to be discussed?
I would like to propose organizing a group outing to a nearby park for some outdoor activities and relaxation. It could be a great opportunity for us to bond and enjoy the nature.
That sounds like a wonderful idea, participant number 4. Group outing can promote camaraderie and provide a refreshing break from our team. Let's plan the details and logistics for the outing and on our next meeting. Thank you for suggestion. As we conclude our general meeting, I want to express gratitude to each of you for your activities, participation, and valuable contribution. Together, we can continue to create a support and nurturing community that fosters growth and healing. Thank you for your time and input.
Good morning, everyone. Today we will focus on reflecting on our learning experience within the program. Learning is a continuous process that allows us to grow, evolve, and overcome challenges. Let's take this opportunity to share our insights and lessons learned. I invite each of you to think about the recent learning experience that has had a significant impact on our personal growth. Who would like to share their learning journey with the community?
I recently participated in a workshop on mindfulness and self-awareness. It helped me understand the importance of being present in the moment and acknowledging my thoughts and emotions without judgment. This practice has helped me manage stress and improve my overall well-being.
Participant 1, mindfulness is a powerful tool for self-reflection and emotional regulation. Your commitment to practicing mindfulness is commendable, and it's inspiring to hear how it was positively influenced your well-being.
I have a challenging conversation with a peer where I had practiced active listening and empathy. It taught me the value of truly understanding others' perspectives and communicating with compassion. This experience has improved my relationships within the community.
Your willingness to engage in difficult conversations and practice empathy is commendable. Participant 2, effective communication and empathy are essential skills in building healthy relationships. It's evident that your commitment to understanding others has strengthened the community bond.
Recovery journey recently, and it taught me that the importance of resilience and perseverance. Despite the challenges, I learned to pick up myself, seek support, and continue moving forward. This experience has reinforced my determination to overcome obstacles.
Your resilience and determination in the face of adversity are truly inspiring. Participant 3, setbacks are a natural part of the recovery process. Your ability to bounce back and seek support to demonstrate your strength and commitment to growth. Your journey serves a testament to the power of perseverance. As we conclude our discussion on learning experiences, I want to express gratitude to each of you for sharing your insights and reflections. Remember, every experience, whether positive or challenging, offers an opportunity for growth and learning. Let's continue to support each other on this journey of self-discovery and transformation. Thank you for your participation.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we need to address a serious matter regarding the behavior of one of our community members. It has come to our attention that certain actions have violated the rules and values of our program, and we must address this issue promptly. Participant, please step forward. It has been observed that your behavior has been detrimental to the harmony and safety of our community. Despite previous interventions and support, the actions continue to pose a risk to yourself and others. As a result, we have reached the difficult decision to initiate the process of expulsion from the program.
I understand and I take full responsibility for my actions. I deeply regret the impact it has had on the community.
We appreciate your acknowledgement, participant. The decision to expel a community member is not taken lightly, and it is done with the well-being of the entire community in mind. We want to ensure a safety and supportive environment for all participants to continue their journey towards healing and recovery. Before the expulsion is finalized, we want to offer you the opportunity to reflect on your actions, seek support, and consider the impact of your behavior. If there are many underlying issues or challenges that you need assistance with, we are here to provide guidance and resources to help you address them.
I am willing to seek help and work in improving myself. I understand the consequence of my actions and the impact it has had on the community.
Thank you for your willingness and to address the situation. We will provide you with the necessary support and resources to facilitate this process. While the decision for expulsion is pending, we encourage you to engage in self-reflection and utilize the available support systems to address the underlying issues. The well-being and safety of all individuals in our program are our top priorities, and we remain committed to fostering a positive and healing environment for everyone. We will continue to monitor the situation closely and provide updates as necessary. Thank you for your attention and cooperation during this challenging time. Let's continue to support each other as we navigate thoughts and process together.
We have gathered here today to address a serious matter. Jonas Gatiwan, you have been brought before this panel because you have committed the same offense against house rule. Once for a second time, this is an acceptable behavior that cannot be tolerated. As a member of the community,
failed to uphold the standard and values that we all agree. Your action not only violated those standards but also impacted the rest of us. This cannot continue.
Jonas Gadiwan, we are here as your peers and friends to deliver a stern reprimand. We want you to understand the gravity of your actions and the consequences they can have on the entire community. You need to make immediate changes to your behavior.
Moving forward, we expect you to adhere to the house rules. Don't speak without any further instructions. If their behavior continues, we will have no choice but to escalate the matter of the staff for further disciplinary action. Do you understand the seriousness of this situation?
Yes, I understand. I will make the necessary changes to my behavior and ensure that I do not repeat this offense.
We are glad to hear that. Remember, we are all in this together, and we want to see succeed. But you need to take responsibility for your action and make necessary improvements.
This conversation will remain private and will monitor your progress. If you need any support or guidance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us or the staff. We are here to help you.
This concludes the development process. We hope you will take this experience seriously and make the necessary changes to your behavior. Thank you for the time and attention.